What's up guys, it's your boy Dennis here with an unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green and Silver 64GB models on the log. Now let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with the new Midnight Green color, the new one released this year. We have our iPhone, the new midnight green color. I actually like how this feels. Feels nice and smoother. And we have stickers, eject tool. Throw that to the side. Your traditional Apple headphones. And what's new this year is USB-C to Lightning with a, if I'm not wrong, with a new 18-watt fast charger now in the box. Finally. No more of that laggy 5-watt charger that took 2 hours to charge your phone. So that's pretty much what comes in the box for the new midnight green. You guys would fit each other's? Alright. Can't wait to play with these new lenses, the new camera. I'll edit that out. Can't wait to play with these new cameras. Now let's unbox the other one. Pretty much should be the same thing. We got the silver 11 Pro Max. This is pretty much the same silver that has been here since the iPhone 10. And pretty much all the new 11 Pros and 11 Pro Max will come with the fast charger except for the regular iPhone 11. Let's put it down. Now, for the moment everybody likes to hear, right? One more time. So yeah guys, this is pretty much Apple's new flagships, the best of the best that they have out as of today. You know, I really like the midnight green, but I also really like the silver. That's just me. That's part of the one. Right. I'm pretty disappointed that the notch did not get smaller this year. But I guess Apple has its reasons for that. We will be testing out the new cameras, the wide angle. Supposedly we're supposed to get 4 more hours of battery on this. The new display, the new HDR. But all that will be coming in a full review, which I plan on having somewhere around in a week, because I want to use the phone. I want to put it through its paces, see what it does in these different types of situations. But yeah, pretty much this is the unboxing. So yeah, let me know what you think.